everyone, today we will discuss about basic data types in Python programming. Let us start by writing the heading in markdown cell. To run the code, we have to press Shift and Enter together. To make the letters in bold, we have to add the symbol star before and after the word. This will give the output in bold letters. Let us start by printing the word hello. Print hello will give the output as hello. Always remember, the string should be put in quotes. Hello is a string, so it should be put in quotes. Now, let us discuss various data types such as integers, floats, Boolean expressions and strings. Let us give an addition operation, suppose 2 plus 3. This will give the output as 5. Now, what is the type of this 5? It is an integer. Now, let's take a decimal number. Type 5.065. This will give the output as float. Now, let's write two equations. The equation in the last will give the output. This will give the output as 202 and not 102. Now, what is the type of data? It is a string. Now, what if we write an integer value inside the quotes? This will be considered as string. Any data such as alphabets or numbers inside the quotes will be considered as a string. Let's see, Boolean of 5 is true. Boolean of 0 will give false. Now, let's check Boolean of a negative number. That also will give the output as true. Let's see the type of Boolean expressions. Type of false. It is Boolean. Now, let's see not true and not false. That is, opposite of false is true and opposite of true is false. So, not true will give false and not false will give true. But always remember to use capital F, because if we use small f, that is considered as an error. So, while writing Boolean expressions, the T for true and F for false should be capital. If we use small letters, then we will get an error. Now, let's see changing data types. Let's see, x is equal to 5. The type of x here is integer. Now, let's see y is equal to float of x. Now, if we print y, we will get 5.0 because we have taken float value of x. So, float value of 5 is 5.0. Now, let's see print the type of the word data. This will give the class as string. Now, let's move on to comparison operators and logical operators. Let's check for various operations such as true and true, true or false, and combinations of many. Let us first write true and false. This will give the output as false. For OR operation, it will give the output true for true or false. Now, for true and true, you will get true. It is same way as the Boolean operation 0 and 1, 0 or 1. So, false and false is 0 and 0, so you will get false. Let's take combinations. Now, true and true is true and false is false. Now, false or true is true. So the final output will be true. Now false and true is false, and false or true is true. True and false is false. False or true is true. True and false is false. So final output will be false. Now let's see some logical operations. Now 4 is equal to 5. This is a comparison operation. This will give false. 4 not equal to 5. This will give true. That is correct. 4 greater than 5 is false. Now 4 less than 5, it is true. So these are some comparison operations. Now let's see, y is equal to 5 and x is equal to 10. Y less than 10 and x greater than 20. This is false because y is 5, that is less than 10, but x is 10, that is not greater than 20. So 5 less than 10 and x less than 20 will give the output as true. Now today we have discussed various data types in Python programming. We will continue with this in the next video. We will see list and other data types. Thank you and have a great day.